In this video, I'll show you 3 tutorials. First, you have to write the text and double-click on the side. Then select Drop Shadow. Many people use this trick, but I have an easier way. Then double-click on the side, and then click on the shadow and rotate the shadow. And reduce the fill. Some people set the filter themselves in the camera raw filter. But I believe that it would be much better if it were automatic. Shift and click. Second round, and how to remove the background from a photo. Select and mask.